Welcome children. Take out your history book, chapter 5, the American Civil War. Today I am going to give you the question answers and exercises of this chapter. Take out page number 57. Exercise A. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. The northern state favored high tariff on import of foreign goods. Number 2. The Civil War was fought on the issue of state rights. Number 3. Cheap labor was needed for plantations. Number 4. President Lincoln instituted a system of reconstruction for southern state. Number 5. By 1860, America had 18 free states. Exercise C. Match the column. Number 1. Emancipation Proclamation. Answer. Abolition of slavery. Number 2. Jefferson Davis. Answer. President of Confederate States. Number 3. End of the Civil War. Answer. April 1865. Number 4. Gettysburg Address. Answer. Redefined the constitutional ideals. Number 5. Intensive labor work. Answer. Southern state. Now let me give you the question answers of this chapter. Question 1. Why were slaves a necessity in the South? Answer. In the South, slavery was considered indispensable because of the increased demand for cheap labor along with an increase in plantations. Number 2. Who was the 16th President of USA? Give a brief description about him. Answer. Abraham Lincoln was the 16th President of USA. He was a firm proponent of anti-slavery. When he took the charge of president, the southern state realized that this potential meant the end of slavery and so seceded from the Union and became an independent confederacy. Lincoln was determined to save the Union at all cost and if necessary, even at the cost of a war. He viewed the seceded state as rebel and declared a war against them. Question 3. Why did the secession of the southern state from the Union led to the Civil War? Answer. The secession of the southern state from the Union was viewed as rebel by the US President Lincoln and so declared war against them, and this led to the Civil War. Number 4. Why did the Confederate Army lose the war? Answer. The Confederate Army lost the war because they had no able leader or good economic resources and used old techniques of warfare. Question 5. What was important about the Gettysburg Address? Answer. The Gettysburg Address was important as it was delivered by Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of USA. In it, he spoke about war as a necessity for the survival of the nation. Number 1. The Declaration of Independence of America was again brought into focus. Number 2. The fundamental of the Constitution highlighted the principles of equality. Number 3. The ideals of the constitutions of the people, by the people and for the people were re-established. Question 6. What were the main difference between the northern and the southern states of America in the early 19th century? Answer. In the early 19th century, the states of north and south went down different development paths. The northern states developed manufacturing units and shipping centers. A network of railways joined the new towns and cities. These states were looking forward to becoming a strong industrial economy, whereas the southern states developed plantation industries like cotton, sugarcane and tobacco. The southern states were rural by nature, practiced agriculture and exchanged industrial goods for raw materials. Question 7. Why was slavery an issue that led to the war? Answer. In 1854, the northern state formed the Republican Party whose main focus was to fight against slavery. Abraham Lincoln was part of the Republican Party. When he became the President of USA, the southern states realized the end of slavery and seceded from the Union and became an independent confederation. Lincoln was determined to save the Union at the cost of a war. He viewed the seceded state as rebels and declared a war against them, and so slavery was an issue that led to the war. Question 8. What were the outcomes of the Civil War? Answer. Following were the outcomes of the Civil War. Number 1. The war destroyed the economy of the southern state, causing great losses in agricultural sector, which had once again made it great. Number 2. America once again got united and came to be known as United States of America. Number 3. Slaves were given citizens. Number 4. The war laid the foundation of America's emergence as a global power in the 20th century. Now, take out your diary, write Chapter 5, the American Civil War. Question answers and exercises given. Write all the question answers and exercises in your history copy. And with this, I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.